We will see her, right?
We'll see her again. And soon. You convinced me of that. So stay strong.
Don't worry. We'll finish this and go see her together.
Look. Branded by Pulse. I'm a XIII. Enemy of Cocoon. Danger to us all.
My parents died. I had to be strong for Sarah, so I thought I needed to forget my past. And I became Lightning. I thought that by changing my name, I could change who I was. Who are you?
I've got a few screws loose, but I'm a XIII, same as you.
You must be Snow. Sid Raines, Brigadier General of the Fleet.
Your son's a hero. We'll erect a memorial in Eden and put his crystal on display.
If they find out you're sheltering XIII, they'll...
You're my son. This is your home.
The point is, I have people I can count on. I'll make it through. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
The very existence of you, XIII, puts every last one of us in danger. Tell me, do you really think your life is worth more than the lives of millions of Cocoon citizens?
So this is the Foul Sea.
It's this thing's fault the Purge started. And it's people who are dying. Sarah told us to save Cocoon. That means this thing needs to die. You're not gonna go through this ordeal alone, you know.
That's what scares me. I don't want to see you get hurt because of me.
Let Cocoon get what's coming. Better that than watch a friend go seek.
What happens when your actions end up ruining someone's life? How do you pay for what you've done?
Shoot me.
Don't you even! You think you die and everything will be sugar and rainbows?
What do you want from me?
You saw the fools. A mindless mob drunk on fear of a viewless sea.
Was this the Cocoon you dreamed of?
My dream is but a Foul Sea's fancy now.
Let's move!
Lightning!
See them reaching out for you. Quietly burn whatever shields I spent so long building up. I cannot bear, 'cause when they cry, I'm on